wabarakatuh. Hi students, welcome back to English class. In this video, we are going to learn about some amazing birds in this world. We know that there are so many kind of birds in this world. Do you have any birds at home? Do they lay egg? Do they have feathers? Or can they fly? Can they swim? In this video, we are going to watch a video about amazing birds in this world. Miss Yu will play this video for you, and then please pay attention to the video because after watching the video, we will play a game.
Amazing birds.
Laying eggs. All birds have feathers, and all birds lay eggs. A hummingbird has the smallest egg. It is as small as your fingernail. An ostrich has the biggest egg. It is as big as 24 hen's eggs. Building nests. Most birds build nests for their eggs, but some birds don't. Emperor penguins don't build nests. The father penguin balances the egg on his feet. His tummy keeps the egg warm. Some birds lay their eggs on the ground. Flying. Most birds can fly, but some birds can't. An ostrich can't fly, but it can run very fast. A penguin can't fly, but it can swim very fast. Swimming. Ducks and swans can swim. They can fly too.
Okay students, have you watched the video? Okay, after this we're gonna play a game, so everyone please prepare a pencil and a paper. Okay, this is yes, no game. Everyone, please write yes if the sentence is true, or you can write no if the sentence is false. Okay, are you ready? Okay students, before playing the game, Miss Yu will give you a tip to join the game or to play this game. The tip is, Miss Yu will give you 3 words: all, and then most, and some. All is used to all of the bird or all of the object that we would like to discuss. Okay? And then most, it means that many of them, many of the object or many of birds. And then some, it means some of the birds or some of the objects. Okay, let's start the game. Number 1. All birds have feathers. What do you think about this? Yes or no? Please write your answer. Number 2. All birds can swim. Yes or no? Number 3. Most birds build nests. Yes or no? Number 4. Most birds can fly. Yes or no? Number 5. Some birds lay eggs. Yes or no? Number 6. Some birds can't fly. Yes or no? After this, we are going to check your answers. Number 1. All birds have feathers. The answer is yes. All of the birds in this world have feathers. Number 2. All birds can swim. The answer is no. Not all the birds can swim. Just some birds can swim. Number 3. Most birds build nest. The answer is no. Number 4. Most birds can fly. The answer is yes. Yes, most birds can fly. Not all the birds, because we know that there are some birds can't fly. For example, ostrich. Number 5. Some birds lay eggs. What is your answer? Yes or no? The answer is no. Of course, we know from the video, we know that all the birds can lay eggs. Number 6. Some birds can't fly. Okay, what do you think about this? Yes, the answer is yes. We know that there are some birds can't fly. For example, an ostrich that we have studied before. Okay, thank you students. That's all for today. Oh yeah, don't forget to do the worksheet from Miss Yu. This is for 17th meeting, and don't forget to submit when your parents come to school. Okay students, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.